Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your games download faster on Battlenet. First, go to your Battlenet app and click on this left top icon and click on settings. Here, go to downloads, scroll down and here uncheck the latest updates and pre-release content in your download limits. These options limit your download speed and then click on done. Then check if your internet connection is either on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If it's on Wi-Fi, I would recommend to convert to Ethernet. This will increase your download speed. And after this, if the issue is not resolved, close all the other applications which are using internet like Discord and LinkedIn and all the other applications which are using internet in the background. Close them and then you will see your download speed will be increased, and this is how you can download games faster in Battlenet. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and we will see you in our next video.